Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The concept of a new Maserati CRAZY HyperMotorhome, Super Successor, Exterior Walkaround, evokes a vision of an incredibly innovative and daring automobile that pushes the limits of performance, luxury, and mobile living. Although this title is purely speculative, it envisions a future in which Maserati, a company known for its high-performance grand tours and Italian elegance, enters a whole new market with unmatched ambition. Without a doubt, the outside design of this hypermotorhome would represent a significant shift from traditional RV aesthetics. One would expect a combination of the commanding presence needed for a motorhome and Maserati's muscular yet elegant stylistic characteristics. Imagine angular, sculpted lines that are reminiscent of their sports vehicles, possibly with bodywork made of carbon fiber for increased strength and weight savings. A revised, possibly larger grille that blends in perfectly with the vehicle's aerodynamic profile would boldly feature the recognizable Maserati trim. To maximize performance and stability at greater speeds, retractable aerodynamic components that resemble active spoilers on supercars may even be imagined. The term crazy alludes to unusual and cutting-edge elements, including maybe distinctive lighting signatures that encircle the car or even built-in drone landing platforms for aerial reconnaissance of picturesque roads. The strong stance would be completed with large, specially made alloy wheels that are unique to this vehicle. When entering the hypermotorhome, the interior walkaround would show off an environment of cutting-edge technology and unwavering luxury. Luxurious poltrona frau leather, exotic wood veneers, polished aluminum, and elaborate stitching details are just a few of the best materials that would be used in this masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship. The design would go beyond standard RV layouts, possibly providing a private master suite along with several separate areas for dining, living, and relaxing. The most exacting culinary tastes would be satisfied by a gourmet kitchen that is up to date and furnished with top-notch appliances. With the smooth integration of cutting-edge infotainment systems, fast internet, and maybe even a customized AI assistant, connectivity would be crucial. Panoramic windows, perhaps electrochromic for immediate privacy, and a convertible living area that could expand or rearrange at the push of a button would all contribute to the penthouse sense that such a vehicle alludes to. The hypermotorhome classification, which supports this amazing building, requires exceptional performance. A customized, high-performance powertrain, possibly a hybrid electric system utilizing Maserati's upcoming technological innovations, would be required for this. It would provide tremendous power, unexpected efficiency for its size, and a unique exhaust note, albeit a more muted one appropriate for a luxury home. No matter the terrain, highly advanced air suspension systems would guarantee a remarkably calm and comfortable ride. The Super Successor suggests that this car would not only reinvent the motorhome but also possibly establish new standards for high-end automobile mobility, outperforming all previous concepts in terms of combined performance, luxury, and technical innovation. The new Maserati CRAZY HyperMotorhome, Super Successor, Exterior Walkaround, is essentially the pinnacle of luxury and excess in terms of cars. For the ultra-wealthy who want to explore the world without sacrificing the finest standards of Italian beauty, state-of-the-art technology, and thrilling performance, this dream machine was created.